Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul, and today I will gonna give you some solution about OBS Studio. Last time I'm working on my OBS, I got this message, so I decide to show other people. Okay, click on the setting. Click the video output, browse. Okay, we have to just make a new file and put on the browse. When we save some video, it will go on the file. That's all. I will make a new folder. I'll write OBS. Cross. Check again. File. Okay. Apply. Okay. I will try. See, it is now working, now recording. So guys, if you got some help from this video, so please give us a thumbnail, like our video, and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, you will drop on the comment. I will try to answer it.